Palem Panthou Cultural Trust Ppct Langjing Achouba Imphal West District Manipurna Sinduna Trust ASHIGI AURAISHANG 2 days national seminar on the aesthetics of protest, artistic and literary response to social justice ki THOURAM HOUDOKHRE. Nominee chupna chathagadaba national seminar adu Dr. R.K. Nayansana Devi, former chairperson Manipur State Social Welfare Board na athoiba mithunglen oiduna HOUDOKHI. THOURAM aduda Trust ASHIGI Chairman Suoriba Member Board of Governors EZCC Kolkata, Ministry of Culture, Government of India na THOURAM mapu amadi Art and Culture Department ki former Assistant Director Haubam Chitrana khanaba mithunglen oina sarugyaki. THOURAM gi nunggi oibo warol thamladuna Trust ASHIGI Secretary Dr. Salam Santibala Devi na fongdokibada PPCT asi kumja lisangani subna taratarukta linkhatlaga lisangani taranipan da Register Cultural Organization ama oina oiba ngamki. Trust asina chai amagi manungda national amadi international seminar amawam pangthoktuna lakpagi manung chenna 2 days national seminar asi pangthokjabani. Seminar asida apunba paper reader kunmapanna tongan bahiram singda paper present tawgani haiba wafam thamki. Ngasi ahanba numit ki ayuk ki ahanba seminar gi session da Professor S. Lanchenba Maitei Dean School of Humanities DMU na moderator oiki. Session na da paper reader nipan na che pathoki nungthil da pangthokiba seminar gi ani suba session da Professor Wahengbam Kumari Chanu Department of Manipur University na moderator oina sarugyaki. Session na da punna paper reader taret na che pathoki.